Product name, Let's Go. Binocular for kids. Compact High Resolution Shockproof Binoculars. The Let's Go. Binoculars for Kids with Bird-Watching Manual is a product designed for children aged 4 to 8 years old. The binoculars come with a bird-watching manual that introduces your child to 17 common bird species in North America. The product is lightweight and easy for children to hold and carry, and it comes with a carrying canvas bag, a neck strap for easy transport, and a lens wiping cloth to keep the binoculars clean and clear. The binoculars are made of high-quality, non-toxic materials, ensuring the safety of your child. The handle of the binoculars has a non-slip design, ensuring a secure grip for your child. Here are some pros and cons of the product. Pros: educational bird watching manual, compact and lightweight design, safe and durable materials, adventure accessories included. Cons: suitable for children aged 4 to 8 only. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.